So here are your May predictions, Pisceans. And before I start, as always, I would like to thank my Jyotish Gurus and my spiritual gurus for always guiding me. I'm truly grateful. So Pisces, May 2021. Pisces, a lot has been happening for you in the last few weeks because there've just been times when you're just not getting the results that you've been waiting for. But recently, in the last 10 days or so, things have started to change a little bit, and some of the pending things are finally coming through. So, if you're someone for months you were waiting, projects not moving ahead, paperwork not happening, or some issues happening with finances, literally in the last 10 to 12 days, some movement would have happened for you. The beginning of May continues to keep you focused towards your goals and you're moving ahead with your plans further in trying to achieve whatever it is that you're planning to do at this point. So beginning of May is a time where you continue to be busy. You're planning ahead. For some of you, you're looking after your families. You're fulfilling your responsibilities there. For others of you, you're focused on your workspaces. At this point, you are receiving support from father figures or family members or co-workers. So this is a time where you feel that whatever hurdles there may be around for you, families and co-workers are coming forward to give you that kind of support. I'm looking at the second close to the second week of May. Many of you around this time, which is again the second week of May, are dealing with too many things. This could be a point where you're balancing things within your family and work and social obligations. So there is just too much to do. So I see that you Pisceans are keeping very busy around the second week of May, where work is one thing, but there are a lot of other responsibilities that you're looking at. Could be family, could be just social obligations. But for many of you, there is a lot happening. So remember, it's going to get calmer for you very, very soon. My dear Pisceans, this might be a good time to remember to stay calm and not to react to things. As May comes to an end, many of you are dealing with issues connected with home and family. For some of you, this is an important time to make decisions around business, partnerships, marriage, or personal relationships. So, end of May is a time where, for many of you, there's some important things, some important decisions need to be made, some important responsibilities need to be fulfilled. My advice to you is do not be impulsive around this time. Be careful, Pisces, because there's so much going on. And for many of you, you're making some important long-term decisions. Remember that this, in case some of you are feeling disoriented or you're feeling some amount of, you know, unsettlement in equations, or you're not agreeing to the things that are being done around you, or you're just, unhappy at this point, things will get better. It's a rough phase. It's not here to stay. Things are going to be better for you. Be careful with your communication. Respond rather than react. Because a lot of you are dealing with a lot of family things around, and sometimes these can put you in circumstances where you can impulsively, get into a reaction which you may be unhappy about later. So you remember you saw these predictions. Try to stay calm and respond rather than react. Think before you're about to say something or you're about to act on something, because this phase is like that some of you could feel that need to react, but then you're here and you're hearing me out now, and this should help you create the change that is required. May is also, in case you want to travel, I would recommend that you do it in early May. If it's really important for you to travel, try to do this in the first 10 days of May. Beyond that, I would recommend that you don't travel, and it would be a better time for you to take it easy and avoid travel. So, this is what I have primarily for May. It's not a great month, but the coming time is going to get easier. And if you follow my advice and you say through those paths that are making you feeling pressured, if you manage to stay calm, rest is going to be okay. Not that bad. So have a great month. I'll be back again next month with advice. Till then, stay safe and do take care.